Let's try another one of Mom's recipes to get the Dragonfly Cookbook ready to publish.
If you didn't run away when I made the porcupine balls, let's make some Spam casserole. I promise you this is not an April Fool's joke. I don't mess around when it comes to our dinner. This was a family favorite at our house. Super easy, comforting, and very yummy. Into a nice big roast pan, we're going to start with diced potatoes. I'm not going to peel these because they have a nice thin skin. I'm just going to cube them up. Our potatoes are diced up. Now, we add our Spam. Just going to cut it up into little bite-sized pieces. I should have gotten them all out of the cans at one time because now I'm slippery and cannot get them out. I'll be back. Okay, hands are clean. I'm going to get all of these out while I can. Nah, get out of here, dang it. Bloop. Bloop. Spam is all cubed up, and now we'll add our frozen peas. This is way too big of a bag, so I'm just going to use half of it, and that should equate to what I need for the recipe. There we go. And now we need our sauces. We just need cream of chicken and cream of celery. I'm using reduced sodium for all of this because Spam does have a lot of salt in it, and so do these typically, and I have someone that is watching their salt. I'm going to pour these over top. The recipe calls for milk, but what I did was I put milk in the cans to swoosh it around a little bit and get the rest of the soup out of the bottom of the can. I'm going to stir this up and add a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and some pepper. All mixed up and ready to go. I'm going to put this in a 350 oven for about an hour.
In this video, I doubled the recipe because I was serving 8.
The potatoes are soft, everything is done, but this is screaming hot. This is lava, lava hot. You're gonna wanna let this cool for a little bit before you even bother serving. Spam. And Taylor made rolls to go with it.
We always served it just like this, but I feel like a breadcrumb or a cracker topping would be really good on top. I'll have to experiment sometime.
Well, that's a ringing endorsement if I've ever seen one. And I get the little bit that's left for lunch today.
This is another really nostalgic recipe for me. And while I don't make it often, it certainly is a treat. If you test this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments. You can check out all the videos on TikTok and YouTube. Thanks for watching. Love you.